Alright, Miss Lilac. Susunod po, same setup, dumbbells, bench. Pero ngayon yung bench natin, flat na, ihiga na natin. Higa nyo na pala, hindi ako sama. Tapos, same set of dumbbells, close grip naman tayo. Alright, so i-add natin yung workout na to para dun sa cut ng, ng wedding dress. Ito, right, di ba may ganun? So, ganito ba? Close grip, pakita ko lang. Pero ba? Ayan. Dito muna tayo. So, same setup dun sa chest press natin. It's just that pinaka-close na pwede sa dumbbells natin. And then, target natin dito sa solar flexor. Dito sa baba ng ribs. And then, up, push, inhale down. Ayun yung target natin para ma-activate yung more of the triceps, konti na shoulders. Pero yun dito, sa gitna ng chest muscles natin. Alright? Yeah. So start. Again, dahan-dahan. Malapit sa chest. Sa katawan yung dumbbells. So dito close. Yan. Inhale. Exhale, push. Dahan-dahan, dahan-dahan. Slow. Push. Elbow. Keep it close to your body. Close, close, close. Push. Inhale. Exhale, push. Alright. Yan. Pakita ko po ng lighter weight. Yan, para mas makita yung natin, kamay. So, hands, yan, parallel to each other. Kadikit, extend. Again, shoulders away from ears, chest out, shoulders back. Inhale. Check po yung elbows. Pababa. Pinaka-bababa na pwede, na kaya. Then, quick press. Inhale, inhale, inhale. Exhale, press. Alright. So, same number of repetitions. 15 po tayo dyan. And then, quick breather. Rest tayo ng 10 seconds. So, kung mapapansin nyo po, lagi tayong konting rest lang para keep natin yung mataas na heart rate. Next natin, seated crunches. So, sa bench, upo lang tayo sa edge. Yan. Sa dulo ng bench. Pakita ko naman. So, upo tayo sa dulo ng bench. Then, lean back. Hawak sa likod. Grip. Alright? Shoulders back. Shoulders away from ears. So, magiging back. Tapos, bababa. Alright? And then, abs tight. Feet together. Slide bend sa knees. Yan. And then, yung goal is yung knee papunta sa shoulders. So, steady lang. Exhale. Exhale. So, may konting movement sa upper body. Work yung lower abdomens natin, pati quads. Alright? So, we're gonna be doing this for 15 repetitions as well. So, exhale, inhale down. Check. And that will be yung second set of exercise